Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer volume of data you have to manage? Or maybe you've struggled to find the right information when you need it most. So you're not alone. Many of us are drowning in a sea of data. Today, we're going to dive into a powerful tool that could be the solution, ClickUp. You might be thinking, ClickUp? Isn't that just a project management tool? Well, yes and no. While it's primarily known for its project management capabilities, ClickUp is also a versatile platform that can be used as a robust database. In this video, we'll explore how ClickUp can be leveraged as a database and whether it's the right choice for your specific needs. Understanding ClickUp's database potential. Custom fields. One of the key factors that make ClickUp a viable database option is its extensive customization capabilities. You can create custom fields to store any type of data, from simple text fields to drop-down menus, checkboxes, and even date pickers. This flexibility allows you to tailor ClickUp to your exact requirements. Relationships. ClickUp also supports relationships between different types of data. For example, you could create a projects list and link each project to a corresponding tasks list. This helps you establish connections and track dependencies between different pieces of information. Views. Views are another powerful feature that can be used to organize and analyze your data. You can create different views to filter, sort, and group your data based on specific criteria. This makes it easy to find the information you need quickly and efficiently. Use cases for ClickUp as a database. Customer Relationship Management, CRM. ClickUp can be used to store and manage customer information, track interactions, and manage sales pipelines. With custom fields and relationships, you can create a comprehensive CRM system that meets your specific needs. Knowledge base. ClickUp can also serve as a centralized knowledge base for your team. You can create different lists for FAQs, how-to guides, and other resources. By using tags and search functionality, you can easily find the information you need when you need it. Inventory management. If you have a physical inventory, ClickUp can help you track your stock levels, manage orders, and monitor product performance. You can create lists for products, suppliers, and customers, and use custom fields to store relevant information. Project tracking. While ClickUp is already a popular project management tool, it can also be used as a database to track project-related data. You can create lists for tasks, resources, and milestones, and use custom fields to store additional information. Comparing ClickUp to traditional databases. Pros of ClickUp. Ease of use. ClickUp is a user-friendly platform that doesn't require extensive technical knowledge. Flexibility. It can be customized to fit a wide range of use cases. Integration. ClickUp integrates with many other popular tools, making it easy to connect with your existing workflow. Cons of ClickUp. Limited scalability. While ClickUp can handle a decent amount of data, it may not be suitable for extremely large datasets. Lack of advanced database features. It may not offer all the advanced features found in traditional databases, such as SQL queries and complex data modeling. Is ClickUp the right choice for you? Consider your needs. Before deciding whether ClickUp is the right database for you, carefully consider your specific requirements. If you need a simple, flexible, and user-friendly solution that can handle a moderate amount of data, ClickUp may be a great option. However, if you require a highly scalable database with advanced features, a traditional database might be a better fit. Try it out. The best way to determine if ClickUp is the right choice for you is to try it out for yourself. ClickUp offers a free plan that allows you to experiment with its features and see if it meets your needs. As you can see, ClickUp is a versatile tool that can be used as a powerful database. Whether you're looking to manage customer relationships, create a knowledge base, or track inventory, ClickUp offers the flexibility and customization options you need. However, it's important to carefully consider your specific requirements and compare ClickUp to traditional database options before making a decision. So, what are you waiting for? Give ClickUp a try and see if it can help you streamline your data management processes. And if you have any questions or experiences using ClickUp as a database, feel free to share them in the comments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.